Zoho Books and Zoho Projects both work nicely together. Today I'm going to show you how to connect them. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Zoho Books. We want to now connect to Zoho Projects, which is, again, an amazing application. What we want to do on the top right hand side, hit the settings icon over here. It's the little gear icon. You are wanting to come all the way down, and you'll see extensions and developer data. Here we're going to look for integrations and marketplace, and you want to look for Zoho apps. Now once you click on this, you'll see all of the apps that are able to connect to Zoho Books. So what we want to look for, of course, is Zoho Projects, and here you will be able to click on Connect. Now once you click on Connect, it'll say Connect up over here. We're going to say Enable Integration. We can just refresh this over here and give it a few seconds. This will now be synced. So you can now access Zoho projects by going up to the top right hand side over here, and you will see projects just over here. And once you click on it, you'll be able to access it. And Zoho Books will talk to Zoho Projects.